Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Boss Babe. Okay, so this is a program by Natalie and Danielle. It's called Boss Babe. You can check it out at bossbabe.com. You've probably already seen this website. I'm going to review their programs, and then you can decide whether or not you want to invest into one of their programs. And maybe you're wondering, can you make money online with Boss Babe? How does it work? How much does it cost? Is there a refund policy? And should you be getting into their program? Okay, so Boss Babe is basically a creation by Natalie and Danielle. These two ladies are very classy. Obviously know what they're doing. They've got over 3 million followers on Instagram. So basically, if you break it down into a nutshell, they've got a few different programs. They've got 4 different programs. But essentially, what they teach you how to do is they teach you how to launch and create your own programs online. Okay, that's the first thing. And they also teach you how to attract more people into your businesses using Instagram. So they're really good at Instagram, and they're really good at creating products and services, and they're going to teach you how to launch it. Okay, so it just depends on what program you want to join, because they've got 4 different programs. We'll run through them inside of this review today, and then you can decide whether or not you want to invest in their programs. Okay, so Boss Babe is basically a community. It's mainly focused around women. You can kind of get a feel for their programs here, but they really do focus mainly on the female community. Okay, their first program is called the Society, right? This is basically a mastermind. Okay, it's $37 per month. You join it for $37 per month, and basically you get access to live calls where they talk about all sorts of different things within internet marketing. Okay, so they cover all sorts of different topics. You can cancel anytime, but that's kind of what the Society is, right? So it brings a community of women together, and it's for $37 per month. You jump on these live calls. They've got a whole bunch of different topics that they talk about inside of internet marketing, and you can just take that information and execute it into your business if you want. So that's their first program. Okay, the second program, which is really their main program, is their online launch school, right? So this is a $997 program one time, and it basically teaches you over a 12-week period. It's 12 modules, exactly how to launch a program. All right, so you can be an expert already, but maybe you don't know how to do it online, or maybe you're just a beginner, and they're going to teach you how to formulate some ideas to become an expert, okay, to put it all together. How do you create the messaging? How do you create the content? What platform do you upload it onto? How do you launch it? How do you get people to find it? All sorts of, basically start to finish to launch your own product. So if you are interested in launching your own program, then Online Launch School is basically that program that will teach you how to do that. This is not for everybody, obviously, because not everyone is ready to launch a program, right? If you're not an expert in a particular field, this might not necessarily be the right program for you. It just depends on who you are. If you're already a coach, a consultant, an expert in something, or you have an idea that you want to launch and you want to put it online, then the Online Launch School program will teach you how to do that. Okay, it's a 12-week program. Not expensive, by the way. $997 is a very reasonable price for a product creation product. That's basically what it is. It's going to teach you how to create a program and launch it online. Okay, they've got a couple of other programs. They've got the Insta Influencer Kit. It's a $37 one time. This basically teaches you how to create lots of content and use their templates to get out content on Instagram specifically, because these girls, they're experts in Instagram. Okay, so if you want to use Instagram as one of your marketing tools, $37 per month, $37 one time, it's not a big deal. Okay, you're gonna you're gonna learn how to create a lot of content on Instagram. Content Masterclass, $149 one time. This is more for creating content in general. So if you're an influencer, you're a marketer, or you want to get into that, they're gonna teach you how they create their content. Right? How do they shoot their content? How do they structure their content? How do they launch it out? All right, and how you can use it for all different types of social media platforms, whether that is Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. It's more of a content creation type of masterclass. So if you're somebody who doesn't really understand how to create content that well, and you want to learn how to do it, they've got a program here. Again, not expensive, $149 one time. It's not expensive at all. Okay, and then they've got the Influencer School. So this is much more about the full process of creating content and launching it and creating it virally. This is for Instagram, right? It's called the Influencer School. This is their new program, and you can check that out as well. So they've got a whole bunch of different programs, to be honest, right? But mainly it focuses around Instagram, creating content, and then launching something online. All right, they all have different price points. This is really a community. They've obviously got their mastermind here for $37 per month. So you get to pick and choose what you want to get access to inside of Boss Babe. All right. So if you're looking to start some sort of online business, maybe you want to start it on Instagram, maybe you want to launch a program, maybe you want to get connected to a mastermind, a group of very successful women, then this is kind of the place for you. Okay, so some of the pros and cons, right? So the pros is that Natalie and Danielle are the real deal. They've been doing this for a while. They've got millions of followers. They're very, very successful. They've helped a lot of women all over the world to launch successful businesses online, to understand how to create content and how to do it on Instagram as well. All right, inside of their online launch school, they also do talk about YouTube and Facebook, by the way. Okay, so it's not just Instagram. It just depends on where you are. They're obviously experts in Instagram, but when you go through their launch school program, you will learn about YouTube and Facebook ads as well. Okay, just so that we're clear. And if you want to go, if you want to deep dive, you can click into online launch school, and they kind of talk about it there. Okay, so the pros is that, again, these women know exactly what they're doing. They're very successful. Their programs are very good. They're very detailed. Okay, they've got very good support. All right, and the nice thing is that it's not just one program. You can choose from a few different types of programs. So it just depends on who you are, where you are right now in your business. If you're a beginner, or you're already an expert, or you're somewhere in the middle and you're looking to improve things, it really depends on your journey. Okay, it also depends on whether you want to launch a program or not. Or if you don't want to launch a program, maybe you're already an affiliate marketer and you just want to learn how to get more leads on Instagram. Then maybe you could just take a look at their Insta Influencer Kit. It really depends on who you are, right? Or maybe if you are a content creator and you've already got everything else down, you just want to learn how to improve your content creation, then maybe you might just get their content masterclass. Okay, so it really depends on who you are. The only downside of Boss Babe is their refund policy. It's a very weird refund policy. Okay, so first of all, it's not a no questions asked policy, which is okay, right? But you have to get onto a call with their customer service, and they're going to kind of talk you through why you want to cancel. They're going to ask you a bunch of questions, and if you really do want to cancel, there's a $250 cancellation fee. So that's the only thing. Okay, which is a bit weird. They may as well just say that there's no refunds at all, right? So if you want a refund, you're gonna have to jump through a few hoops, and if you really want a refund, you're gonna have to pay $250 penalty fee to cancel. So that's the only thing. Otherwise, Boss Babe is great. They've got a very good list of programs here, all at different prices, and it really depends on what you're trying to do in your business exactly. Okay, so that's kind of my review of Boss Babe. If you would like to check them out, you can come to bossbabe.com, where Natalie and Danielle have got a great list of different programs for you to start launching a business on the internet, which is really the smartest thing that you can do. Okay, now if you're here right now watching this video, you're probably somebody who is looking to generate some sort of income online. Otherwise, you wouldn't be researching Boss Babe, right? Maybe you're a beginner, or maybe you're somebody that has already started, and maybe you're making a little bit of money online, or maybe you've been trying to make money online for a long time, but you've been failing for ages. Okay, now I know exactly what you're going through, because I started marketing online in 2009. That's, at the time of recording this video, it's about 13 years, and I struggled for a long time. I struggled for 8 years. I tried all sorts of different business models online. You name it, I've tried it. MLM, surveys, network marketing, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, Amazon, lots of these weird make money online websites, and some things work and some things don't. Okay, it took me a long time before I broke through and went full-time online, and now I teach thousands of people all over the world how to sell digital courses online. So if you're someone who's just getting started and you're a little bit overwhelmed, maybe you're like, well, Aaron, I don't really know what to do. I don't know if I should do Instagram, should I do Facebook, should I do YouTube, should I launch my own program? Because maybe you're not at that level yet. Maybe you're not at the stage where you're like, I'm an expert, I'm a coach, I'm a consultant, I know exactly what I want to do, and I want to launch my own program. Maybe you're not even at that stage yet, okay? So maybe you're somebody who just wants to learn how to make money on the internet, right? And for me, the best thing that I know how to do is to teach people how to sell other people's digital courses online. That's actually the simplest way to first start making money on the internet, right? Learn marketing, learn how to connect a group of people that have a problem, to a product that's already created. You don't have to create the product, you just join them together. And when you join them together, you make a sale. It's called affiliate marketing. It's very simple, okay? And if you would like to learn how to do that, I've got a free six-figure workshop that will show you exactly step by step how to do that, okay? So if you're a beginner, if you're confused, and you want to just learn how to get into the money quickly, then all you need to do is just click the link below and register for my workshop, or click on the arrow on the right hand side, jump on the workshop. It's going to show you how you can first get started, picking other people's products so you don't have to launch anything. It's very simple, it's very straightforward. Just learn the marketing part and just learn to be a great connector, okay? It's going to get your feet wet. It's going to show you what to do, what to stay away from, and how to first go from zero to earning your first sales online, and then your first 1,000, your first 5,000, your first 10,000, and then really the sky's the limit. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this review of Boss Babe. Check it out if you would like to. All right, otherwise I hope to see you on the workshop. Take care and all the best to you.